Here is a little tutorial on how I draft this 12 pieces blouse. Please, this is my first time of making a tutorial video, please, so you have to bear with me. I have already drafted out my princess cut blouse from my shoulder down to my half length. So the next video is all about me showing you on how to achieve the 12 pieces blouse. The middle part is not shown in this video because I was trying to explain how to achieve the remaining 4. Like I said, the middle part is going to give you two pattern. If you are putting zip at the front, don't forget to add your zip allowance. Dividing this into 2, one is going to give you 2, one is going to give you 2, making it 6 at the front, 6 at the back. Most importantly, if your half length is 18, make use of 17. If your half length is 19, make use of 18. Except you are very busty and your under bust is giving you 20. Definitely your half length is not going to be 19 or 20. It's not going to even be 22. Make sure you make use of 24.5 or 25 so that your half length and your under bust is a distance between them. And I was labeling them. Please add allowance, it is necessary. In this video now, I was explaining that each pattern is going to give you 2. Each pattern is going to give you 2, making it 6 at the front, 6 at the back. I'm not showing a video about the back, it's just the front. So just if you can draft out a normal princess cut blouse, then you can do this. It's time for us to transfer it to the other paper so that we can be able to achieve the flay. That is the main reason for this tutorial, because I believe every other person can do a normal madam blouse. It's just more like a normal madam blouse, but you are splitting it into 6 for you to be able to achieve the 12 pieces blouse. I went straight into drafting what I wanted to draft here. I placed my pattern on top of the paper and then I sellotape it. Mind you, you can place the whole pattern, like from your shoulder to your half length. You can place everything on the paper to achieve a fresh pattern. You can do it. But because I already know what I was doing, so it was okay for me to manage my paper. There's a 2 line on this paper. You see a 2 pen line, like a biro. I drew a biro line up and down. That's the 10 inches I took. So I'm going to be showing you what I mean by I took 10 inches. The wideness of the flay, that is what I'm trying to say. It depends on how wide you want it to be. For me, I want it to be moderate, so I made use of 10 inches. And I was writing add allowance. Please add allowance at the side. It's very important. It's very important that you add allowance. And I was showing my half length. I made use of 19. There's a reason for that. I did not use my actual 18 because of my stomach is big somehow. So I started my half length from my half length down to my blouse length. My actual blouse length is 24, but I did not make use of 24 because by the time you add your hair stay, crinoline mesh or paper stay, the blouse is going to be standing at the front. So to avoid it hanging, so I made use of 26 instead of 24. I did not use my normal blouse length. So if your normal blouse length is 28, kindly make use of 30, except you want the blouse to be short. After drawing the wideness of the blouse, which is 10 inches at the down, then I went ahead to slant it on both sides. The paper was meant to be at the middle, but for some reason I had no idea it wasn't at the middle. You're going to see from the second line I'm drawing now that it's slanty. It's not supposed to be so, but because I'm trying to explain, so I just have to go ahead with the video. As you can see, I was also showing you people that add half inch and that half inch go up, like from your half length up, add half inch, because by the time you join it, it's going to go. You're not going to see that half inch that you add anymore. Make sure to eliminate that sharpness at the edge, like the down of the half length that connects from your half length down to your blouse length. Eliminate it. That's the essence of also adding that half inch and also for joining. And eliminate the sharpness at the down of the blouse. And mind you, please, the same way I achieve this one now is the same way you're going to achieve everything on the front and the back. You draft your normal back pattern. Like I said, if you're adding zip, you add zip at the back, zip allowance. If you're adding the zip at the front, you also add zip allowance, and make sure to slant it at the down. It's very important. If you miss this part, your down blouse might be looking funny. Feel free to ask me questions in the comment section. Like I said, it is my first time of making a tutorial video. Thank you.